In the next 8 minutes, we'll show you how faceless and voiceless YouTube channels are becoming gold mines, even for complete beginners.
Let's go into the best channel ideas that can start making you serious money. The idea number 10 can change your life forever. Stay with us till the end. You don't want to miss it.
First up, we have faceless art and craft channels. Whether you're knitting, painting, or creating stunning DIY projects, these channels are all about visuals.
No voice required, no face on screen, just your hands, tools, and creativity. Think Bob Ross, but even less of you on camera.
People love watching transformations. There's something hypnotic about seeing a plain canvas turn into a masterpiece.
You could specialize in something unique like miniature painting or origami. And here's the kicker. Start selling your artwork or handmade crafts on Etsy. Double the income stream.
Plus, you can easily enhance your videos with royalty-free music from Mixkit, Pixabay, or the YouTube audio library, giving your viewers a more relaxing experience. Who knew that showing just your hands could be more popular than showing your face?
But wait, what if you're not into arts and crafts? Don't worry, we've got something even easier coming up.
Number 2, motivational quotes channels. These are so simple, yet amazingly effective. You don't even need to write your own content. Simply find popular quotes from thought leaders like Tony Robbins or Oprah Winfrey, overlay them onto beautiful visuals, and there you have it, an inspiring video that'll keep people coming back for more.
Look at channels like Red Frost Motivation. With only 99 videos, he gained more than 1.9 million subscribers. He mastered the art of engaging his audience with short, impactful videos.
Motivation is a daily need. People fear stagnation and urgently search for inspiration to fuel their day. Your channel could be that daily boost for thousands. Who knew telling people you can do it with no words or face could make you money?
But what if you're more into tech or science? You're going to love the next idea. Number 3, AI facts channels. AI is taking over the world, so why not let it take over your YouTube channel? AI facts channels are on the rise. You can create educational videos about fascinating facts regarding AI, robotics, or even space technology without ever needing to talk.
Use cool infographics, stock footage, and text overlays to explain complex concepts in simple ways.
People are hungry for content that explores the future. AI and technology fascinate viewers because they spark curiosity and awe.
You can position yourself as the go-to source for mind-blowing AI facts. And with platforms like Canva, you can easily create slick animations to keep your content visually engaging.
Need great visuals? Tap into stock footage libraries like Storyblocks for eye-catching clips. Use apps like Animoto or Adobe Spark to create professional-looking videos in minutes. Ready for something more entertaining? Let's talk about gaming without you ever playing a game. Gaming channels are among the most lucrative on YouTube. And the best part is, you don't even need to show your face or voice.
Simply record gameplay and overlay it with captions, commentary, or even use a text-to-speech app like Natural Reader to add commentary automatically.
Gaming is growing at an explosive rate, and new games release every week. You could be at the forefront of trending topics without even needing to pick up a microphone.
Think about faceless channels like Game Clips or Gaming Curios. They've gained millions of subscribers simply by providing entertaining game highlights or tips and tricks.
If you're thinking, I'm not really a gamer, don't worry. The next idea works for just about anyone. Top 10/listicle videos. These are an absolute YouTube goldmine. These types of videos can be about anything from the top 10 best travel destinations to the top 10 life hacks everyone needs to know.
People love countdowns because they build anticipation and curiosity. And here's where it gets interesting. With a little research, you can create highly engaging videos in any niche without saying a word.
Channels like Watch Mojo have exploded using the listicle format. And while they have voiceovers, many successful faceless channels skip this step altogether, relying solely on text and visuals.
You can easily edit these types of videos using free software like DaVinci Resolve or Shotcut. Throw in some fantastic transitions, use stock music, and you're all set.
But what if you want something more relaxing? I've got the perfect idea coming up. Number 6, stock footage channels. Stock footage channels are simple to run. All you need is footage of nature, cities, food, even people walking by overlaid with relaxing music or captions, and boom, you've got content.
People are always searching for footage they can use in their own projects, which makes these channels perfect for passive income. With every view, download, or even licensing deal, you can start earning.
You can either shoot your own footage or download from free sites like Faceless and 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐿, then package it with free music. But maybe you're looking for something even simpler to create? Let's wrap it up with the most soothing idea yet: ambient channels. This is one of the easiest yet highly profitable channels you can run. Simply combine ambient sounds like rain, ocean waves, or even white noise with calming visuals, and you'll have an audience hooked.
People are constantly searching for ways to unwind and relax, and with a never-ending demand for stress relief content, your channel could become someone's go-to place for peace. Silent Rhythm's 11-hour video has garnered millions of views, providing a boost in both subscribers and watch time.
To find ambient sounds or music, look no further than 𝐷𝐸𝐻 or the YouTube audio library, all offering copyright-free audio. You could also record your own ambient sounds with a simple microphone and some field work to grab some rain or forest ambiance from your local area.
But what if you want to take this relaxing concept and go even bigger? How about turning it into a visual masterpiece without showing your face? Animated story channels are another massive opportunity. Whether you're telling emotional life stories, spooky tales, or even historical facts, animations are the perfect medium for faceless creators.
You can hire animators or use affordable software like Vyond or Toonly to create captivating visuals that keep viewers engaged.
Animation adds a whole new level of storytelling, pulling viewers in with both curiosity and excitement.
Don't want to hire animators? No problem. You can create basic but engaging animations with tools like Animaker or Doodly. Perfect for short, snappy stories that viewers love.
Number 9. Compilation channels. The perfect option if you want to create content without ever filming anything yourself. By using stock footage or creating compilations of interesting or satisfying videos, you can generate hours of content with minimal effort. The best part? You can create channels focused on anything: travel, architecture, sports highlights, or even satisfying cleaning videos. There's an endless appetite for compilation content on YouTube.
To get started, check out free stock footage sites like Videezy. You can easily edit these clips together using free software like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express. Now, let's shift gears. We've talked about video content, but what if we told you there's a type of channel that's not just about visuals? It's about creating an experience.
Number 10. Virtual reality, VR relaxation channels. These are the future of YouTube content. These channels offer viewers a fully immersive experience, allowing them to virtually visit serene locations like tropical beaches, peaceful forests, or even outer space, all from the comfort of their own home.
As VR headsets become more affordable, the demand for VR content is skyrocketing. You can create 360-degree videos or even collaborate with VR creators to provide a fully immersive experience, giving your viewers a way to escape their everyday stress.
Once uploaded, these videos become an immersive experience that people will pay for literally. So what are you waiting for? You've seen how profitable these channels can be and how easy they are to start. It's time to take action, start your Faceless YouTube channel today, and start building your future income stream.
Here's a question for you. Which Faceless YouTube channel idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you've already started, share your progress. We'd love to see what you're working on. You're just one video away from starting your YouTube journey. Why not make it today?